everyone, and welcome to Happy Trails Hiking.
We're exploring Giant City State Park in Illinois.
First stop here at Giant City is the Visitor Center. Come on in. The Visitor Center is a welcoming building that has displays that will show you the vegetation and geology of the park. They also have volunteers and staff that will show you trails and places to go in the park. So the first trail we are going to hit here at Giant City State Park is the Giant City Nature Trail. It is a 1-mile loop and the most popular trail in the park.
Found.
Just up from the parking lot, cross the bridge, and you get to the Bluffs. We're going up there because I found a thing. It looks like a cave. What is it?
Rock.
Rock. That's neat. I have to duck. Cool. Very large rock with lots of wildflowers. Look at all those flowers. Wow.
Yeah.
This is Balanced Rock up here. Don't push.
You really think I could move this?
Never know. So fun fact, the nature trail connects with the river to river trail here in Illinois. Pretty cool.
Well, we're wrapping up our quick little walk on the nature trail here at Giant City State Park in Illinois. It is a lovely trail that is well maintained, and it is true to the park's namesake because there truly are giant rocks on the trail, and I almost was able to hold one up.
Now ventured up to the Trillium Trail. It's 2 miles. We're supposed to see some great wildflowers. Trillium. This is Stone Fort Creek. Not Stone Soup Creek. So we're done with this 2-mile trail, and it was more bluffs and water falling, and there were very pretty wildflowers, and I really liked it. So you should do this one too. We had a good night at camp, and we're gonna go explore just a little bit more of Giant City State Park before we head out. The last trail we're gonna hike in Giant City State Park is the Post Oak Trail, and it's supposed to have some great views, so looking forward to it. As you can see, this is a paved walking path out to some overlooks. First overlook overlooks a parking lot. Lori found a waterfall.
Technically, the water is falling.
It is. So true. Lori just said, that was a good 10 minutes. We are finished with the Post Oak Trail. It was a nice little trail to walk, just get out of the car, stretch your legs a little bit. And got some benches to sit on, and it's a really pretty spring day out here, so it's fun. Since the Post Oak Trail wasn't too hard, we decided we'd give the Indian Creek Shelter Trail a try as well. This one has a stream crossing. They have a bridge for you. It's really pretty.
This is a neat spot.
Yep. Thanks for joining us at Giant City State Park in Illinois.
It's got a great campground, nice trails, big rocks.
It also has a nice lodge with good cabins for those who aren't campers.
Thanks for joining us. Until next time, this is Kate and Matt and Lori from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks for watching.